Hi, I'm Peter from HD Interactive. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool feature in Microsoft's Word app. Now, the feature allows you to use gesture control using your hands to edit Word documents. It can be found in your Draw tool in the menu bar, and it looks like a blue pen with stars on it. Once you've selected that, you can also select a gesture help to learn what the gestures are. There are only 6. I figured them out after a few months, so I'm sure other people will be able to do it a lot faster than I can. It allows you to do really cool things like remove words by drawing a line through it. You can reinsert words using your own handwriting. And that's where it gets really powerful in a classroom, especially where students can take ownership of inserting and editing into a Word document. You can then highlight words to be able to change the fonts and the styles. Let's bold that one out, as well as do other things like split and rejoin words. I hope you found that tip helpful and useful for your classroom and business. For more hints and tips like that, come see us at hdinteractive.com.au. See you then.